this offering, we are going to look into time travel feature in BigQuery. Time travel, as the word indicates, gives an ability to travel back in time and examine the data of a table during that point of time. Time travel allows you to access the data stored in BigQuery that has been changed or deleted. You can access the data from any point within the time travel window, and then you can restore that particular data. By default, BigQuery provides the time travel window of 7 days, and you can customize it and change the window. So it can be anywhere less than 7 days. Now let us see how to do time travel with BigQuery. Say I have a table students. So this table has two records, 1 and 2. So suppose you want to see the state of this table one hour back. What was the state of this table? So I can do select start from CS students for system time as of timestamp sub current timestamp interval 1 hour. So let us see how this query runs. So you can see that it has retrieved 3 records here. So this is the state of this table 1 hour before. So what we are doing here is select star from CS students for system time as of timestamp sub is a function which subtracts the timestamp, which is basically we are subtracting current timestamp from we are subtracting 1 hour from the current timestamp. So 1 hour before the current timestamp, what is the state of this table is what you see here down below. As you can see that currently the table has only 2 records, but 1 hour before it had 3 records and 1 record got deleted and one of the records also got modified. Now let me do an update operation on this one of the records. Say I am updating this table, update cs dot students, set say I'm adding hobbies here. I'm doing a concatenate of hobbies. I will add one new hobby, say cycling, where student ID equal to 2. So what this does is it adds a new hobby to student ID 2. I can verify that. So it added cycling here. Now, if I go back in the time interval and say I go back 20 seconds from the current time and query this table, so it is still there. Basically, it is 20 seconds is too less of a time. So let us say 90 seconds. So you can see that the table didn't have the cycling. So 90 seconds back, this table didn't have cycling as a hobby for the record number 2. So this is how you do the time travel with BigQuery. The use of time travel is that you can create snapshots using the time travel, and that snapshots can be later on used to restore the data. Say, for example, now you want to create a snapshot of this table as of, say, 30 minutes back. So 30 minutes back, I want to take a snapshot of this table. So I'll check how the data is there 30 minutes back. So 30 minutes back, this table had 3 records. Now I can go ahead and create a snapshot. Create snapshot table cs.students backup. Clone cs.students uh, for system time f of, I want 30 minutes. So I'll copy this expression and I'll run this query now. So this creates a snapshot. We can query the snapshot here. Now I will go ahead and delete this students table. Drop table cs.students. So at this point, I don't have the table, but I can use this snapshot and restore the table. So the way we do it is create table cs.students, clone cs.students backup. So the table got created now. We dropped the table and we recreated the table. We can query the table again here. So the table has 3 records. Now, if I go back and again query the snapshot 30 minutes back, it will give an error. The reason why it is giving an error is because 30 minutes back this table was not there. Remember, we dropped this table and recreated it just now. So this table has been created hardly a few seconds ago. So if you are again going and getting a snapshot here, it won't work. But I can maybe, change this minutes to seconds, and I can get the snapshot of this table 3 seconds back because the table was existing 3 seconds back. Whereas 30 minutes ago, this table was not there. So this is all about time travel with BigQuery. The primary purpose of time travel is to travel back in time and view the snapshot of the table data at any point of time during that particular timestamp. The use of this is you can, once you view the data, you can create a snapshot, you can create a backup of it, and then you can restore the data if required. By default, BigQuery provides 7-day snapshot time. You can customize it. Basically, you cannot increase it more than 7 days, but you can keep it say 2 days. So 2 days of time travel would be possible if you change it. The 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 time travel window is set at the data set level. So the data set is nothing but the CS. CS is the data set. So at that level, you can declare what is the time travel you want, time travel window you want. Well, that's it about time travel.